Hey, Scott Austin here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the savings in cart functionality to the automatic discounts and gift app to your Flex Themes cart. So, if you're using automatic discount and gifts, the app that allows you to stack more than one discount in a store, I'm using it in a store right now for allowing bulk discounts. So, if you have more than $75 in your cart, you get 10% off. Then if you have more than $100 in your cart, you can get 15% off, and up the ladder there. You can't do that with normal Shopify discounts. So you have to add an app in. And the app I use is Automatic Discount and Gifts. And if you go into their menu under this savings in cart functionality, here's their instructions on how to install it. And I got to be honest, it's not the best of instructions. There was a video I found somewhere that was how I was able to finally figure it out. But even that wasn't the easiest starting point. But every theme is different. So what I'm going to show you is the code that I added to the Flex theme to get it to show. So if you're using Flex in this app, this is a great way for you to kickstart this process. So what we're adding is I'm going to add two of these to the cart, which is a $50 price. So at $50, I don't have a savings. You can see there was a savings, displayed down here a second ago. But then the app's JavaScript comes in and removes that because our threshold for our first discount is $75. So if I add one to the cart, just by clicking one there, now you can see my cart total is $75, and then the app's JavaScript came in and said, all right, that's a savings of $7.50 because it's 10% off for orders over $75, and then here's your new total. So the liquid code that I've added has this line, these two lines here, right? So this is the normal Flex theme subtotal, and then I've just added some code to show the savings and the new total for the cart. And you can see here that this is also got some JavaScript in it. So if I change the quantity to 4, I'm now going to get 15% off, and that's reflected here and now here. So the code's pretty simple. What I did is I created a snippet called cart automatic discounts.liquid, and all the codes you need. So there's some liquid in there, there's some CSS in there, and then there's also some JavaScript in there. So these three work together to show the information, style it like the rest of the site, and update it when you add the plus or minus functionality, changing the quantity inside of the cart. So all you have to do is copy this code, which if you're watching this on YouTube, there'll be a link in the description to my blog article where I actually shared all of this code with you. Right? So create that snippet, and then you want to go into cart main liquid, which is a section. So you go under sections over here, down to cart main liquid. And what I did is there's already an element inside of the Flex code for cart discounts. So if you scroll, it's around, line 280 in my Flex, which may have been customized in other places. But just search for the section setting display savings, like this element right here. Just find that in your cart code and comment that out. So I took that whole if statement all the way down to the end if, right, and I bracketed that in a comment, end comment liquid code. And then I put my render to my snippet that I created right above that. And that's how I get it to display inside of this colored background where the total information is. So that's all you need to do to get this working. Now you're going to have to go in and maybe change some settings or some CSS here for the color you want. Like my savings, I wanted it to show in this version of red, which is the red we're using in this store. These colors here, the brown is already in the liquid code, but this is a CSS setting for this red. So if you want a different red, you'll notice this red here matches my checkout button. You may want to change that CSS a little bit. So that's how we do it. Hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching.